Diesel particulate filters, DPFs, they are a nightmare. There's one here on this Range Rover, you can just see it. They're part of the exhaust system and they are designed to take out the unburnt particulate matter, the soot and ash from your diesel engine before it gets into the atmosphere and creates all that black soot. They are good in the sense that they reduce the particulate matter, but they're not brilliant and they do block up. They block up with all this soot if you're driving around town. Breakdown organisations are called out to hundreds of thousands of DPF failures every single year. It's a really common thing, and the only advice I can give you is don't, if you're driving around town, let your car get all clogged up with soot and ash. Get it hot, get it on the motorway, drive it for 20 minutes occasionally every week just to burn off all that accumulated soot, and then your DPF light won't come on, you won't have to go into limp mode and go to a garage. Sadly, if you can't purge it by driving it and getting it hot, you may have to replace your DPF, which can be very expensive, but there are garages now that are offering purging in-house and some fluids that you can put in the diesel tank, or you can take it off and do it in a kind of a fluid bath. Go into Google and find out. But remember, if you can, keep your diesel running at hot temperatures for maybe once a week and you will extend the life of your DPF immeasurably.